Hi everyone, and welcome to Wisdom Harmony 101. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're cutting through all the clutter. Forget the 50 complex tips and new apps. If you constantly feel busy, swamped, and behind, I'm going to give you the one foundational habit that will truly help you master your time. Let's be honest with ourselves. Most of us don't really have a time management problem. We all get the same 24 hours. What we have is a priority management problem. We wake up, grab our phone, and immediately start reacting. We react to emails, text messages, news alerts, and the urgent but rarely important requests from other people. Before we know it, it's 3 p.m., our best energy is gone. And that one big important thing we needed to do? It's still sitting there, staring at us, causing stress. This is the hamster wheel of being busy. But I need you to understand this. Busy is not the same as productive. Busy is treading water, productive is swimming to shore. The one habit that breaks this cycle, the one that changes everything, is what I call the daily define. It's breathtakingly simple. Before you check your email, before you get lost in meetings, you define the single most important task for your day. This isn't your 20-item to-do list. A to-do list is just a brain dump of everything you could do. And most important task is a decision. It's the answer to this one question. If I only get one thing done today, what task will make the biggest positive impact on my goals? Why does this one little habit work so well? It's psychology. First, it beats decision fatigue. Your willpower and mental clarity are finite resources, and they are highest in the morning. When you waste that peak energy on low-impact tasks like answering emails, you burn up your best fuel before you even start the work that matters. Second, it leverages momentum. When you tackle and finish your biggest, hardest task first, you win your day before 10 a.m. The sense of accomplishment you get from that one win provides you with energy and confidence for the rest of the day, instead of dreading it. Most people do the exact opposite. They warm up with easy, small tasks. This feels good for a minute, but it's a trap. It drains your best energy on your least important work. This one habit, the daily define, forces you to be proactive, not reactive. It ensures your most valuable asset is spent on your most valuable work. This is the key to finally moving the needle on the projects and goals that truly matter to you. Knowing this is great, but doing it is what creates change. So here is your practical, no excuses action plan. This is how you make this habit part of your life, starting tomorrow. I call this the sticky note solution. Tonight, before you go to bed, or tomorrow before you touch your phone or computer, I want you to take a single sticky note or an index card. On that note, write down one thing, just one. This is your most important task. How do you find it? Ask yourself. 1. What's the one thing I can do that will make the most progress on my biggest goal? 2. What's the one task I'm dreading the most? That's usually the one. Now, if the task feels too big, break it down. Write my book is not a daily most important task. Outline chapter 1 for 90 minutes is. Make it concrete, specific, and something you can realistically accomplish in one focused session. Stick that note right on your computer monitor, your bathroom mirror, or your coffee maker. Tomorrow, that note is your compass. It is your first priority. Before you get lost in the sea of emails, before you check social media just for a minute, you give your best, freshest energy to that one task. The final key is to protect this time. You must be ruthless about it. Schedule it. Put a 90-minute focus block on your calendar. Turn your phone on silent, and if you have to, put it in another room. Close all the other tabs on your browser. Give this one task your undivided, undistracted, high-quality attention. Here is my challenge to you. Don't just think about this. Do it for the next 5 days. Just 5. Write down one most important task. Execute it first, and then, after it's done, you are free to react to the rest of the world. This practice builds integrity with yourself. It proves that you are in charge of your day, not your inbox.
The key is not to prioritize what's on your schedule, but to schedule your priorities. Stephen R. Covey.
This is the habit that builds momentum, and momentum is what leads to mastery. You don't need a new, complicated system. You just need to reclaim your focus. You can get off the hamster wheel. You can end your day feeling accomplished instead of just tired. It all starts with this one small, powerful habit. Define your day, or your day will define you. Thanks for joining me on Wisdom Harmony 101. Hit that like, subscribe, and share if this resonated. Be kind to yourself, focus on what matters, and I'll see you next time.